This video will discuss the muscles of the lateral scapula and shoulder. Hello everyone, this is Shireen Hafiz. Let's get oriented first. So this is dorsal, this is ventral, this is cranial, and this is caudal. And we're going to reflect the stumps of the extrinsic muscle of the thoracic limb so we can see the muscles that we need to discuss in this video. So I'm going to reflect omotransversus, reflect trapezius, and I see here the supraspinatus muscle. So the supraspinatus has an attachment on the supraspinous fossa and the other attachment on the greater tubercle of the humerus. The supraspinatus extends and stabilize the shoulder joint, and it's innervated by the suprascapular nerve. Then I will put this back. Then we have here the deltoideus. The deltoideus has two parts. Part that attach to the spine of the scapula, that's your scapular part, and then another part that attach to the acromion, and this is the acromial part. So the spinous and acromion parts form here the deltoideus, and both insert on the deltoid tuberosity on the humerus. The deltoideus is a major flexor of the shoulder joint, and it's innervated by the axillary nerve. Then I'm going to reflect the deltoideus. Okay. And I see under your infraspinatus, okay, it's under the spine. So infraspinatus, the infraspinatus has an attachment on the infraspinous fossa, and then the other attachment is on the greater tubercle of the humerus, specifically actually is on the infraspinatus area. The infraspinatus extend and stabilize the shoulder joint, and also it's a rotator of the shoulder joint. The infraspinatus is supplied by the suprascapular nerve. So I transected the infraspinatus here, and what I'm going to do, I am going to reflect this part of the infraspinatus, and I'm going to pull. I am after the infraspinatus bursa. It's under the tendon of the infraspinatus. So I will pull the tendon in and watch. I just opened the bursa. I just opened the infraspinous bursa between the tendon of the infraspinatus and the greater tubercle. And I'm not sure whether you can see it, but this shiny stuff in here, this is your synovial fluid inside the bursa. Okay, then I will put this back, and now we're going to discuss that little muscle next to the infraspinatus. That's your teres minor. The teres minor has an attachment on the distal third of the caudal border of the scapula, and the other attachment on the teres minor tuberosity on the humerus. The teres minor is a flexor of the shoulder joint and also rotates the shoulder joint. So if you would like, and actually it's helpful to you to group these muscles together, supraspinatus and infraspinatus both insert on the greater tubercle of the humerus. Supraspinatus and infraspinatus both extend and stabilize the shoulder joint. In addition to that, the infraspinatus rotates the shoulder joint. Deltoideus and teres minor both are flexor of the shoulder joint, and both of them are innervated by the axillary nerve. That's it. See you next video.